don't need to tell you that you know how, but baby you do. But baby you do. Oh, I said you belong. And if you dream to be free.
That's Louis down there. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. We are almost halfway through this Vlogmas series and it's been challenging. Determined to complete Vlogmas this year. My name is Cyn. If you're new to this channel, I am a beauty lifestyle vlogger here on this channel, but I'm also a tarot reader, so if you do want to follow my tarot reading channel, it'll be somewhere linked up here. Today is not much, but I'm going to be going to the gym. I was thinking about taking Louis to the dog park, but I think I'm gonna leave him home. I really need to work on my upper body and do a little bit of cardio. I have been fasting for 20 days for the past 5 or 6 days. So I do want to do 20-hour fasts all the way up into January. I'm just giving myself like a mini goal. I wanna see how I transform my body, and I am documenting this. I am doing a separate video from Vlogmas. I probably might incorporate it in Vlogmas, but I'm not sure yet. But I am doing a separate video about alternating fasting. I'm doing a little bit of my version of it, which is like fasting for 20 hours and eating for 4 hours. So my fast does not break until 3 o'clock. So I'm going to be eating at 3 p.m. and I'm going to be ending at 7 p.m. So it's about 20 hours fasting, 4 hours feed window. So it's been challenging. My hunger has really suppressed a lot. Even during my feeding window, I do find myself not really hungry, and if I do eat, it's probably like one meal and then a snack. I know that's not really healthy or typical. Hey, I know that's not healthy or typical, but it's been working for me. I do see a really huge change in my body. My stomach is flatter. I am taking a lot of probiotics. I'm also taking my folic acid. I'm taking my ketones. So I'm making sure that I'm keeping my vitamins intact, but I'm also working fasted. So today we're going to be working fasted. I'm going to be lifting, and I'm also going to be doing a little bit of cardio. My cardio today is going to be a treadmill, maybe possibly 20 minutes of the treadmill, and then I'm going to lift weights. Now, people always ask, do you lift weights first or do you do cardio first? It just depends. Today I'm going to be lifting first and then I'll do cardio after. Let's head over to the gym, and then when I come home, I'll show you some of the meals that I'm gonna be eating in my feeding window. So let's head over to the gym.
And if you dream to be free, I can take you there, just follow me.
Am I the only person that has to mentally prepare themselves before they walk into the gym? Like, I just need to sit in my car for a good 2 minutes, mentally prepare myself, mentally prepare my body to be in pain before I go inside. Yeah. Let's go get this workout in.
Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes, burning cities and napalm skies, 15 flares inside those ocean eyes, your ocean eyes on fire. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I'm never falling even back this high, falling into your ocean stop thinking of your diamond mind. Careful creature made friends with time. He left her low.
I am drenched in sweat. Like, I'm sweating everywhere, but it was a good session. I'm tired. I'm so hungry. It's like, what, 1:25? I got to the gym at 11:30. No, 12-ish. 12 o'clock-ish. It's 1:30. I just want to go home. I want to go eat. I'm like hungry. Not ravenous, but I'm hungry. I'm probably going to make some salmon and a Caesar salad. Probably some veggies. That parfait that I had the other day was so good, so I'll probably make that parfait again. And with that coconut milk yogurt, oh my goodness. That yogurt from Whole Foods is expensive, but it's so good. I'm going to continue to keep buying it. And then I'll probably have like I love Slim Jims, and it's a good source of protein anyways, but I love Slim Jims, so I'm going to have maybe like one or two, and they're just like the half sizes. They're not the full sizes. I'm trying to keep my diet clean, y'all. You understand? Like, I need to lose about 15 to 20 pounds, and I'm already like a week into this, and I've already lost like pounds already. But what I've also noticed since I've been fasting for 20 hours is the inches off my body. Like, I think I can continue to do 20 hours fasting, like make it a daily thing. It's not hard for me to do it because I've done intermittent fasting for like 2 years. But I also did like the Beyonce lemonade diet, which is like water, lemon, and cayenne pepper for a whole month, and I lost 30 pounds in that month. I don't suggest to do that. That is so unhealthy, but I wanted to challenge myself, and I did it for 30 days, and I lost a significant amount of weight. I am not going to do that again because that was like crazy of me to do that, and I just don't want to like mess up my metabolism. I don't want to mess up my hormones. I just don't want to do any like fad diets. So I'm gonna keep it clean food, fast for 20 hours because I want to look good, because I'm going to Costa Rica next month in January, and I want to look good. I just want to be laying on the beach butt naked in my thong bikini looking good, and I want my packs to be like showing a little bit, because they're starting to show now, but I want them to be like in your face. So I just want to make sure that I'm as lean as possible, but also healthy as possible. So I'm gonna go home. Actually, I'm gonna go get Louis food, because Louis doesn't have any food. He ran out. I'm gonna go get Louis food, and then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna cook. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Hey guys, make sure to like, comment down below. As you guys can see, I read all of your comments and I do respond to them. So please be sure to interact with this video and also be part of the tribe. Let's get back to the video.
Stallion, you ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, so we split it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, so we split it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. You used to be flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on new house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Work, 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 yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work, 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 yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work, work, work.
Change up. Now everybody better pay up. Elevator on my way up. Pay off that, put her feet up. Dollar need that new Bentley truck. They just mad they wanna be us. Pull out the windows, put on the gas. Listen, I rap with the kids, so selling my pants. Said she my diamond, they wet. She my diamond, they wet. Oh, even with the bed, I keep my foot on their neck. Gang, gang, I'm with the gang, gang. And when I'm in my Rolls Royce, I take them 2 lanes. They be like, boy, that's how you feel. I be like, yeah. Hey, DJ, turn it, the bed is that. Yeah. Hey, up there, I'm on my way up. Hey, up there, I'm on my way up. Tell the radio to play us. Tell the radio to play us. Blame it on the place I grew up. Blame it on the place I grew up. Hit that landmine, then I blew up. I've been on my job too long. Damn right, I know what I do wrong. Sometimes I be ain't no way that I'm gon' change up. Be like this for good. Now everybody better pay up. Pay up, pay up. Tryna get rich, don't wanna be famous. With my day ones, 75 cents to catch that bus. Came up. Got my check and then I finesse. Say I got next. Got right now, so I guess I'll just kick my feet up. Smoking all this, I need a re-up. Give it all to me, more money, money. Can't tell me nothing, we out here struggling. That's why we hustling. Never heard it like this, don't lie. You ain't never heard it like this, don't lie. Never heard it like this, don't lie. We ain't had good sack Christmas time. Now I'm getting mine. Out here be switching sides. Stay down till I touch the sky. That's right. Hey up there, I'm on my way up. Hey up there, I'm on my way up. Tell the radio to play us. Tell the radio to play us. Blame it on the place I grew up. Blame it on the place I grew up. Hit that landmine, then I blew up. I've been on my job too long. I've been doing too much. Damn right, I know what I do wrong. Sometimes I be ain't no way that I'm gon' change up. Be like this. Now everybody better pay up.
And you used to tell me, boy, don't look back. Now it's 96, I'm bumping out cash. She was up in church, like hallelujah. Now I'm just getting scared.
change up. Now everybody better